Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by diagnosing the noise. Hiss means gain or preamp buildup, hum suggests grounding or AC interference, clicks point to digital issues. First, power down and receipt XLR/TRS/USB connections. Intermittent plugs cause noise. Next, lower input gain until the signal is clean, not thin. Use the mic's pad if present. Once done, switch the mic to cardioid or tighter pattern to reduce room noise. These steps cut obvious sources fast, so you can focus on finer fixes. Now you refine the signal using processing. Engage a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble and mains hum harmonics. This preserves voice clarity. If you hear narrow tonal rings, place a slow notch or narrow EQ cut at that frequency. Avoid extreme boosts. Add a noise gate with a short attack and release. Set threshold so silence is removed but breaths remain natural. Once these are set, monitor in real time and tweak until unwanted artifacts are minimized. You finish by validating and cleaning in post. Record short test takes and listen critically. Inspect the waveform and spectrogram to spot residual broadband noise. Use spectral denoise or adaptive reduction sparingly. Reduce by 3/6 dB first, then increase only if artifacts stay acceptable. Once done, export a clean file. If noise persists, troubleshoot. Swap cables, change preamp or interface, and try a different mic to isolate hardware faults. That targeted swap often reveals the real culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.